Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite a bit longer since I put that YouTube short out that I said it was coming soon. I promise you, it is coming soon. Rob is actually on vacation right now, and June is just a busy month for both of us. I mean, this truck, 2 years ago, I actually finished a Suburban about this time frame, and I had a lot more time that time of the year. When it gets to be June, business starts picking up from our regular detailing business, work, birthdays, anniversaries, school stuff with the kids. It, it just becomes a lot. So this is actually kind of taking me even longer. I'm not even as far into this as I'd like to be. Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 are all recorded. They're all going to be coming out pretty quick. When Rob gets back from vacation, Part 1 will be released probably shortly after. He's about 90% done with it. He is the reason why the videos are as good as they are now. So Part 2, Part 3, they're all going to be kind of probably within the same week. And then we're going to go back after that to once a week dumping a video off on this truck. And I didn't realize until now, but my goodness, look at the paint color difference on those doors to the panel. I hope I can fix that. I'm beginning to wonder if these are different doors from a different truck. But I will get you guys in here real quick, and I'll show you a little bit of what's been done in the just over a week since I bought this. Obviously, I haven't cleaned it or anything. There's a little bit of a sneak peek. You can see some of the wiring looks a little different, and obviously the dash is out. And we'll get you into the front, and you'll notice that the front bumper is totally off the truck. You're going to want to see why that is. You're going to want to turn on that post notification, and I mean, to have the post notification on, you might as well hit the subscribe button. And you know what I'd like to see? Maybe some comments. What you guys think we should be doing with this truck? I have some idea. I mean, obviously, I think I want to keep it somewhat stock, but the whole idea behind it, right now it's a Garbagekon. Eventually, I want to turn it into the Cheapacon. I feel pretty bad for the lady that owned this because the shop couldn't fix it, and I understand why. I mean, it was about, to get that dash out, it takes a couple hours. I don't even know what the going rate in Vermont is for mechanic work. I know it's well over $100. I think like 6-7 hours into this thing. Some mechanical stuff I had to fix that you'll see in the part 1, 2, and 3 as we go on. But this would have been pretty expensive for her to fix. I obviously got it for a smoking deal, and anybody that maybe is watching this that saw this truck, you were crazy to pass it up because this is a smoking deal. This is going to make an awesome work truck. So again, if you want to see what this thing's going to go through in the transformation, click the subscribe button, have the post notification on, leave a comment, thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.